Hello student, today I am teaching you business studies for class 11th. Our today's topic is reality of social responsibility, and this is the topic of your chapter 6, that is social responsibilities of business and business ethics. So in this chapter we studied about the concept of social responsibility. Then I taught you corporate social responsibility in my previous video, and arguments for social responsibilities, then argument against social responsibilities. So it is very important for the businessman. He must not only make objectives of earning profit, but along with the profit earning, he must be keep in his mind or her mind that he or she have to be do betterment of the society. Okay, because the customer is the king of market. So in this video, first of all, I'll explain you reality of social responsibility. So after examining the various arguments for and against the assumptions of social responsibility, it can be concluded that the business enterprises should also assume social responsibility in addition to earning profit. Although business is an economic institute which operates with the basic aim of profit maximization, but it should give due importance to social problems in order to survive and to build good public image in the long run. So as we know that कि जो businessman है वो profit maximization करने के लिए ही business start करता है या करता है, लेकिन सिर्फ उसका मेन मोटो प्रॉफिट अर्न ही ना हो, उसके साथ साथ अपनी एक गुड पब्लिक इमेज बनाना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है ताकि वो लॉन्ग रन तक सर्वाइव करे. नाउ द वेरियस फैक्टर्स विच हैव फोर्स्ड एंड परसुएड बिजनेसमैन टू कंसीडर देयर सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ आर. तो कुछ ऐसे फॉलोइंग फैक्टर्स हम पढ़ेंगे जिनसे हमें ये क्लैरिफाई हो जाएगा कि व्हाट आर द वी कैन से फोर्स्ड एंड pressures on the businessman so that they can do consideration for their social responsibilities. So first of all, threat of public regulation. In a democratic country like India, government is expected to take care of welfare of all sections of society. So if any business enterprises operate in a socially undesirable manner, then appropriate action is taken against such enterprise. So such a threat of public regulation forces businessmen to follow social responsibilities. तो ये एक डर अगर किसी भी बिजनेसमैन के अंदर बना रहेगा कि मैं अगर कोई भी अनडिज़ायरेबल मैनर से काम करता हूँ या अनअप्रोप्रिएट एक्शन लूँगा तो मेरे ऊपर कोई भी एक्शन ले सकता है, बिकॉज वी आर इन अ डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री. Second, pressure of labor movement. So today labor has become far more educated and organized. So labor movement have become very powerful in taking care of interest and welfare of working class. So it has forced and business enterprise to give due regard to the welfare of the workers. तो जो हमारा लेबर है, उस जो हमारा मैन पावर है, we must have to be look out for their interest also, because they are now educated and they organized well. Okay, so they have the power. Another third thing is impact of consumer consciousness. So consumers of the present day are well informed and educated. The growth of mass media and increasing competition have made them conscious of their rights and power. तो यहाँ पे जो हमारा कंज्यूमर है इन अ प्रेजेंट डे वेल एजुकेटेड है, और द ग्रोथ ऑफ द मास मीडिया इंक्रीज इन कॉम्पिटिशन. और अगर हम देखें अपने मार्केट में तो कॉम्पिटिशन इंक्रीज होता जा रहा है, तो इसमें हमें बहुत ज़रूरी है एंड ईच एंड एवरी वन वेरी मच कॉन्शियस अबाउट देयर राइट्स एंड पावर. सो द अर्लियर अप्रोचेस ऑफ द बायर हैज़ नाउ बीन चेंज्ड. अब वो चेंज हो गया है. सो एज अ रिजल्ट इवन द बिजनेस एंटरप्राइजेज हैव स्टार्टेड फॉलोइंग कस्टमर ओरिएंटेड पॉलिसी. तो कस्टमर ओरिएंटेड पॉलिसी हो गई है ताकि आपका जो बिज़नेस है या जो भी आप गुड्स से सर्विस प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं वो आप मार्केट में एग्जिस्ट कर सके या कस्टमर को समझ में आए, वो उनको खरीदे. फोर्थ वन, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सोशल स्टैंडर्ड फॉर बिजनेस. सो टुडे बिजनेस एंटरप्राइजेज आर मस्ट अलाउड टू ऑपरेट जस्ट फॉर मनी. According to new social standard, business should have served social needs in addition to achieving economic objectives of profit. तो ये ट्रेडिशनल तरीका था कि आप सिर्फ मनी अर्न करने के लिए बिजनेस को कर रहे हैं, बट नाउ डेज कस्टमर्स की प्रॉब्लम को देखते हुए आप डिसाइड करते हैं कि व्हाट टाइप ऑफ गुड और सर्विस यू विल प्रोवाइड, एंड along with the profit earning your motto is also provide the social justice to the people. So as business is a creation of society, its functioning is ultimately judged on the basis of social standard. Fifth, development of business education. So with the development of business education, consumer, investor or the employees or owner have become more sensitive towards the social issue. तो ये जो हमारे group of people हैं, they are very much conscious and very much sensitive towards the social issue. So educated businessmen have now become more aware of the social purpose of business. तो जो well educated businessmen हैं, they know how to deal with the customer and how to deal with all these groups of people, those who are helping to for the growth of the business. Next, 6th point, relationship between social interest and business interest. So business enterprises have started realizing that social and business interest are complementary and non-contradictory to each other. तो जैसे कि हमको पता है कि जो हमारा जो बिजनेस एंटरप्राइजेज है हैव स्टार्टेड रियलाइजिंग, अब वो रियलाइज़ करते जा रहा है कि हमें सोसाइटी के साथ साथ अपने बिजनेस के इंटरेस्ट के साथ साथ सोशली भी हमें ध्यान देना बहुत ज़रूरी है. दे हैव ऑल्सो रियलाइज दैट लॉन्ग टर्म बेनिफिट ऑफ बिजनेस लाइज इन सर्विंग द सोसाइटी वेल. Similarly, business is now being recognized as an essential element of a modern civilized society. Next, kinds of social responsibilities. So first of all, economic responsibility, legal responsibility, ethical responsibility and discriminatory responsibility. So first of all, economic responsibility किसी भी बिजनेसमैन की एक बहुत ही बेसिक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है अपनी सोसाइटी के प्रति. दिस इज़ द प्राइमरी सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज़ टू प्रोड्यूस गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज एज पर द नीड ऑफ द सोसाइटी and sell them at a profit. Then legal responsibility, various laws and regulations have been enacted in a interest of the business and society. So businessman was expected to abide by the rules and regulations and to have a social responsible manner. ठीक है, तो जो भी रूल एंड रेगुलेशंस हैं, एवरी बिजनेस एंटरप्राइजेज हैव अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू ऑपरेट विद इन द लीगल फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ द सोसाइटी. देन एथिकल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. Ethical responsibility refers to moral obligation of a business enterprise. It is not compulsory for all the business to assume ethical responsibility. There is an element of voluntary action in performing their responsibility. Means आप voluntary होने चाहिए कि हमें ethically, हमें faithfully काम करना है. ठीक है, हमें एडवर्टीजमेंट में उस प्रोडक्ट का दिखाना कुछ और, उसमें होना कुछ और है, ये चीज़ नहीं होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, so this much is of today. Thank you and have a nice day.